2 plus 0, which gives us 2. Then 4 times 2, which equals to 8. Here 16 divided by 8 is equals to 2. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. Okay, the same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression there is one division here, inside the parentheses there is one addition and one multiplication here. So we have to first do this parenthesis and next this division and finally this multiplication. Okay, if we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or before this division, this is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis 2 plus 0, which equals to 2. Then 16 divided by 4 times 2. Here is division and multiplication. As I have told you that division and multiplication has equal priority, work from left to right. Therefore, we have to divide first this one, then 16 divided by 4, which equals to 4, then times 2. Then 4 times 2 is just 8. Therefore, this is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, the correct answer of this problem is equals to 8.